part one. On today's video, we're going to be turkey hunting. So for starters, let's get the stuff we need. So I'm going to be using my 20 gauge Froggy. We're going to have to get the turkey choke and other stuff.
What does your turkey choke do?
The full choke, and it makes a tighter pattern so the babies don't go out really far, so they're in a tighter pattern so they can take the turkey's head so it doesn't fly away or run away.
So this is what we call the hunting room. This has all of our stuff in there. That won't be a buddy. All your chokes should be in this one right here, so we'll take a gander at it. What are other things you need to grab? What about?
Turkey decoys.
Yep, so the decoys are over there. 3 different ones. Got a full strut, a Jake, and a hen decoy.
Here's the hen.
You ripped its head off. It's dead.
No, it's not. It gets blowing up.
Okay.
And Jake.
What do we call that one?
White balls.
Okay, we can put it back in there. We can take care of it later, buddy.
Oh, there's a blind in here.
There's the half turkey blind in there, which we can leave that in there as well. So you can grab that stuff.
That go upstairs with us?
Yep. What else do we need? The calls, right?
Your call.
Grab the box
I
call.
have my call in my room.
That should be sufficient. And then what kind of shells are you using this year?
I'm using Turkey Tungsten Super Shot.
Yep. So tungsten, it's what? It's really
Heavy.
heavy, so it hits really hard, right?
Yep.
All right.
Gotta go back upstairs.
All the way back upstairs. We're shutting lights off as we go, so it might get a little dark. No, leave that one on. You might hear the frogs in the background. They're going absolutely crazy with this warm weather. Alright, so Lucas is going to take out he's got a modified choke in there right now. And then we'll be putting in the full choke for turkey. So that's that guy.
Dirty.
Dirty. Here, you want to hold this really quick? I'll open it up.
Okay.
You can open it up.
Which way do you open it, though?
You sure you got her?
No.
Here, hold on to this bad boy. So,
It looks like it opens on the one end. Oh.
so it's got your
Plug thingy-majig.
lots to remove or put in.
What's that one? It says right on the side.
Yep. So this is a improved cylinder.
And
Then we got your modified.
that should be full.
And then your full.
Just make sure.
So you can also tell by the number, if you want to, can you see that really good? You can see the notch. It's got 1 notch, that's a full. 3 is going to be a modified. 4 will be improved cylinder, and then 2 is going to be in between. It's in between a modified and a full choke.
I don't know if you can see.
It's hard to see, but you'll be able to see it in there.
There's
And
a-
it does vary between what manufacturer of shotgun you have. So when you put a choke in,
You screw it in as much as you can.
no, you put it in inside, and you
And
always
you-
go backwards first so you don't cross thread it. Okay?
I didn't know that.
And then you screw it in. So I got her started. I'm going to let you do the rest, little man.
Finger stuff.
So Luke will put his full choke in the rest of the way. Tomorrow night is Friday. Youth hunting is Saturday and Sunday. We might get rain, but I'll probably have Luke shoot once or twice with just normal loads just to verify his
Could use those.
his pattern.
Could use old turkey loads.
We might, yeah, maybe use the old turkey load. We're not going to use one of the tungsten ones. Yep, so you use the wrench.
Because they aren't cheap.
And tomorrow night we might also, what are we going to attempt to do with the turkeys, Luke?
Put them to bed.
Which means,
You listen for them to call.
yep,
And then you hear where they roost. So in the morning you have an idea of where they roost. I
yes.
think this is good.
Yep. So I think that's good. So you can set that bad boy down. So we got that ready to go. Your calls, that we'll have closing stuff ready tomorrow night. And then maybe it's probably going to be about half an hour before dark. We'll go out and we'll try to call to see if we can locate them.
And yeah, so see you on Friday.
Which is tomorrow.
Okay, so a couple days later, I think it's Saturday and
You hear those gobbles?
yeah.
So it's pretty dark out right now. You can't see the greatest. We got some decoys set up, ready to go. And there's a bunch of gobbles to our east. You might be able to hear them. So we'll turn the camera back on once it gets a little bit lighter out and to get out of the roost. So this is our setup. Lukester's right there. We had a lot of gobbles. We'll still stick it out because they might come out in the field here in a little bit and see it. Ooh, there's turkey right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. I don't know what it is. You can see the turkey right in the upper left part of the frame. Well, I didn't expect that. It does look like a hen, though. There you go, call away. Yeah, get mad. Perfect. he snores those gobbles. We're gonna shut the camera off for now. We'll sit here for a little bit, see if we can get one to pass through and see if you can see our decoys and call them in. If that happens, we'll turn the camera back on.
Okay, so we're gonna go take a little walk, see if we see any, and we heard some to the east this morning. Sounds like they went to the north, and I think they're henned up already. We've seen a single hen, so we're gonna go see if we can see any on a different food plot. So,
and if we see one, we'll turn the camera back on.
Okay, so it's pretty rainy today. I don't think we're gonna go turkey hunting. It's rainy and windy, so I don't think the turkeys are gonna be fanned out. So I'm going to be giving you an update on the chicks instead. Sneak peek to a different video. Eggs in the incubator. Got like 7 more days. The chicks are getting huge.
What are we going to do now that they're getting so darn big?
We're going to move them in 2 boxes so there isn't so many in one.
We got more room.
Because their water dish doesn't look too good. Here, I'll pull one out. Was that one that bloody butt? What? I don't see him anymore.
I don't think so. I didn't see him.
But I'll show you a picture I'll show you them when they're up in the air so you can see their wings and how huge they are. We have them under fencing because they tend to fly out.
So they're starting to get their wings, got their little tail feathers.
And they're starting to get their combs, some of them.
Yep.
But a lot of them. So yeah, so we're not going to be turkey hunting today. The next time we're going to go is 4th season.
Well, we'll go 3rd. I got to take for 3rd
yeah.
That one.
So,
and then you're hunting 4th season. So
yeah.
4 weeks.
That's a long time.
Well, what do we have in the meantime?
Fishing, your turkey hunt.
And do you want to film putting up the big deer stand next weekend?
Yeah, probably.
So
we have a lot of videos coming up. Okay, so we didn't get any turkeys. Today we weren't going turkey hunting because it's snowing out. And by the end of April, I want to have 100 subscribers. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't, and see you on the next one.